Welcome to the Chili Volcano Factory, where flavor erupts in spectacular style. Picture a giant chili pot shaped like a volcano, and tiny spice miners rappelling down pepper cliffs. They scoop ground beef and beans into bubbling lava, while a crane pours in rivers of tomato sauce. Up above, onion slicers and safety goggles rain diced bits from graded platforms. A crew stirs the mixture with a massive spoon, and others toss in jalapenos to stoke the fire. As the heat rises, a plume of spicy steam bursts out, pure wild chili magic.